Today I'll be showing what all the minimum softwares to be installed on a Windows 10 system. For web browsing, you can install Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, Zoom app for the online meetings, Adobe Acrobat Reader for viewing your PDF files, VLC Media Player for your audio and video files, 7-zip file manager to compress your files and email it across, and an antivirus software. Here I've installed Kaspersky Antivirus, where you can use anything else, and for all your documentation purpose, you can use the Office 365 as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. If you're more of a Google person, then you can install Google Docs, it has Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Thank you.